Today, you're going to learn how to create a daily news digest for your newsletter in under 1 minute. Hey, I'm Laura, head of marketing at Impressive, and I write a newsletter called What Just Happened in AI. Every morning, I used to spend 30 minutes compiling the top AI and tech news to write my takes and send them to my subscribers. I tried ChatGPT tasks, but it kept messing up by listing wrong sources and wrong dates. So I thought, why don't I use Impressive to build my own solution? You're not going to believe this. It took me less than a minute to set it up, and I'm going to show you right now how I did it. I go to impressive.dev and choose the Scout agent. There are three types of agents on Impressive: action agents, scout agents, and live agents. And scouts are perfect for monitoring information like tracking news, trends, and updates. Then I type what I want the agent to do. In my case, I wanted to find the top 5 AI and tech news stories every day at 8 a.m. San Francisco time. Then I specify the priority sources, the big tech companies that I wanted to track news about, and relevant updates from China. All right, here's the result. Now we have our own daily AI tech news scout. The system prompt, the platform automatically improves my prompt, making it more specific and effective. It was AI enhanced. I can change the visibility. I can change the frequency. I can select my sources here, the execution form. This is an interactive preview. So, priority news sources, tech companies to track, story categories, the email. Yeah. So, let's create the agent. All right, my scout is ready to go and live, as you can see. So, now let's select Wall Street Journal, the Times, the Guardian, and the Verge. Um, let's select AI regulation, AI breakthroughs, and company moves. Instance name, daily AI news. You can see that I have created the same scout before. And now you get to choose how you want to receive this information. You can get it in the Impressive app, by email, through webhooks, or even on Slack. I prefer email because it's already in my workflow, but I'm choosing the app to show you what it looks like and create instance. So every morning at 8 a.m., I get the top 5 stories delivered to my inbox, sourced, ready for me to read, and then write my own personal takes. And if I need to change anything later, I can edit the agent directly or use Impressive's AI assistant to help me. Let me show you. So here's the button, edit. I can let the AI know what I want to change, and then it will generate a suggestion, and I can edit manually here. And I can also edit by coding, which is something that I can't do. And here is the coolest part. If someone wants to use my agent, they can fork it. Fork. And then I can customize it for myself. Fork agent. So 1 minute to set up the agent, and I saved many hours of my week. And if you're spending time on repetitive tasks, I want to help you build your own solution. I talked to our CEO, Yashar, and we're giving you 30 days of Impressive for free with my special code Laura25. I'll leave the link in the comments, and I hope you don't miss the opportunity to get more time for what really matters. Bye.